Hey y'all, it's DJ the Diva coming at you with another video. This is smoothie of the day, okay? So I was letting you guys know in my what I eat in a day video that I did today, that I was also going to do some smoothies today. And one of them was the pineapple ginger. This is number 12 in my video series of smoothie of the day. So this is pineapple ginger, and I had 10 ounces of this, and I've drank it down to 4 ounces. So I'm going to continue with that 4 ounces, and I'm going to drink 4 ounces of my watermelon smoothie, and it's number 11. So 11 and 12. I'm only drinking 4 ounces of this, so that makes 14 ounces of smoothie. I'm going to continue with my lemon water, and we'll see how the day plays out, whether I eat the rest of my taco or not. Right now, I'm not feeling hungry at all. But like I said, in case you didn't watch my last video, I numbered my smoothie of the day and what I eat of the day videos, so I could reference back to the videos to say, like, you know, this is number 11, the watermelon smoothie, and this is number 12. So if you guys wanted to just go back to my video real quick and get the recipe and make it, you could do so without having to search all my videos, okay? So in saying that, I did 10 of the pineapple ginger, which is giving your girl a cleansing effect. Keep that on low. Keep that on the down low, honey. And I'm going to do 4 ounces of the watermelon, and then save the rest for tomorrow. Waste not, want not. I'm not going to keep making smoothies every day if I have some left over that I can go ahead and utilize. So I'm going to take 4 ounces of this, put it back in the freezer so I can unthaw it again tomorrow. And my pineapple one will be gone. So that's number 11 and 12 smoothie of the day. So if you want to reach out and scroll through and get those recipes, you may do so without any hassle. So yeah, I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Let your girl know that you were here. Leave me a comment and say, hey, I was here. So I can give you a shout out. Also, you guys, the temperature here is in the 90s. And they're asking for people who have like lung issues, asthma, babies, the elderly to stay in if at all possible, which is why I did my workout early in the morning before it got so hot. It was still in the 60s at 6, and that's when I did mine. Just be mindful of your health, mindful of your loved ones. Please still follow the precautions for the virus, the pandemic that we're going through. Please follow. Mask, hand washing, hand sanitizing, social distancing. It's imperative that we stick with these things in order to make this thing just go away and disappear. Go. Bye. Bye. So in order to do that, we must all adhere to the safety rules and standards. I love you guys to life, and I'll see you in the next video. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else, honey. Bless somebody with the gift of health by sharing my video. I'll see you guys later.